If you are wanting to set up Synergy Sync and you want the sync to create the classroom for you, the process is a little bit easier. Begin by setting up your Google Universal settings if you have not already done so. Click on the Google G, click on the Google settings, and in here, either turn on Synergy Auto Sync or not, depending upon your preferences, and make sure your default point value is set to match max score value. If you've made any changes, scroll down and click on Done. Now we are going to go to Gradebook and Gradebook Setup. Inside the Gradebook Setup, you want to go to your Class Settings menu. From the Class Settings menu, come to the class that you want to sync. In this case, it's my Algebra 2 class, and select the Edit Row button. When you select the Edit Row button, your Google Classroom column becomes available. First, we need to enable Google Classroom. Then in the advanced options, you're going to leave the class code blank and you are going to change the sync Google assignments from date to the first day of the current semester. With this done, you are going to click on Save. It is going to set up a Google Classroom for you. During this time, you will simply have to wait for the sync to occur. Once that disappears, you can come to your classroom and you will find that a new class has been made for you. That class will usually be named with your last name, comma, and the name that the class was given in Synergy. Come back to Synergy, go to your class selector, and you will notice that the Google G appears in your class selector. You have now successfully created a Google Classroom with Synergy Sync.